What if you dedicated the next 30 days to one mission? Getting rid of stubborn belly fat. Not by starving yourself, not by buying miracle supplements, and definitely not by doing 1,000 crunches every day. Here's the surprising part. Belly fat isn't just sitting under your skin waiting to be burned, it's influenced by your eating habits, sleep, stress, daily movement, and even your hormones. That's why so many people work hard for weeks, yet their waistline barely changes. So, what would happen if, for just 30 days, you focused on the habits that actually matter? Would your stomach become flatter? Would your clothes fit differently? Would you feel more energetic? Or give up halfway through? Turns out your body starts adapting much sooner than most people realize. But the first week isn't what most people expect. Let's find out what really happens when you commit to losing belly fat for 30 days. The first few days feel exciting. You replace sugary drinks with water, eat more protein and vegetables, and start walking every day. Maybe you even squeeze in a few strength workouts. But then, reality hits. The scale doesn't move much. Your cravings suddenly become louder than your motivation. That late night snack starts calling your name like it's your best friend. Here's the good news. Your body is already changing, even if you can't see it. Your insulin levels begin stabilizing. Your body slowly shifts towards burning more stored energy instead of constantly relying on sugar. Water retention often decreases, making your stomach feel a little less bloated. Did you know that simply walking after meals can help improve blood sugar control? Small habits really do add up. Week 1 isn't about looking different. It's about building momentum. By week 3, something interesting happens. Your cravings become quieter. Healthy meals no longer feel like punishment. Your workouts feel easier, and climbing stairs doesn't leave you breathless anymore. The mirror starts showing subtle changes before the scale does. Your waistline slowly shrinks. Your posture improves. Even your face may look slightly leaner. Did you know that strength training helps preserve muscle while losing fat? More muscle also means your body burns slightly more energy throughout the day. Not every day is perfect, though. Some mornings you'll feel tired. Some weekends you'll eat more than planned. That's normal. Consistency beats perfection every single time. After 30 days, don't expect movie-level transformations, but expect real ones. Your belly may feel firmer. Your waist could shrink by a few centimeters. Your clothes might fit more comfortably. More importantly, you'll likely sleep better, have steadier energy, and feel more in control of your eating habits. Many people discover that the biggest victory isn't losing fat. It's proving to themselves that they can stay consistent for an entire month. Because once healthy habits become normal, results become easier to maintain. Here's the biggest surprise. There is no exercise that burns belly fat from one specific area. Your body decides where fat comes off first, and everyone is different. The real secret isn't chasing shortcuts. It's stacking small habits that become automatic. Drink more water, eat enough protein, walk daily, lift weights, sleep well, manage stress, repeat. Because belly fat isn't defeated by one heroic workout. It's defeated by hundreds of small choices that seem almost too simple to matter. 30 days won't make you perfect, but it might completely change the direction of your health. And sometimes, that's the most powerful transformation of all.